Hi YouTube! Welcome to my channel, and for today I'm going to unbox the Ubiquity Unify AP LR. This access point has a dual radio Unify long range access point. This access point is by Ubiquity Networks. It supports gigabit power over Ethernet. So this is the actual packaging of the Ubiquity Unify AP-AC-LR, and this is the barcode. You will see the label here. It says that UAP-AC-LR. UAP-AC-LR Ubiquity Networks, test date 5/4/19, and it says pass by Ubiquity Networks. And in order to know that you have a genuine Ubiquity product, you need to have this seal. So all Ubiquity product has a genuine seal. You will see it on the packaging, and the information of the Ubiquity and the genuine seal is always present in order to make sure that your Ubiquity is genuine. Unify long range access point. This is the Ubiquity features simultaneous dual band operation. It's 5 and 2.4 gigahertz. And this is the package content: Unify AC-LR access point, and it has a quick start guide. Unify built your Wi-Fi network with the Unify AC-LR. It is indoor, long range, dual radio access point, and capable to aggregate throughput up to 1317 Mbps. Unify model UAP-AC-LR. So now I'm going to unbox this Unify long range access point, and let's try to see what's inside this box. I like to use this Unify access point, long range access point, because it's very easy to install, and it is user friendly. So I like to use this on our Wi-Fi connection. So this is it. This is what inside this box. The access point. Here is the access point. Ubiquity long range access point. So this is the actual Ubiquity Unify UAP-AC-LR, and it has a logo, Unify logo. And this is the Ubiquity product catalog. Here you will see a lot of access point that you could use in your Wi-Fi network. And this is the plate, ceiling plate, that you could put on the ceiling. And this is the power cord of the Unify UAP-AC-LR, and this is the screw that you could use in mounting it on the ceiling. And this is the Unify power supply. It is a power over Ethernet power supply. And this is the Unify comparison. Here you will find the Unify HD compared to Unify UAP ECLR. And this is the Unify quick start guide, wherein this is the instruction how you could mount the Unify on the ceiling, and also information about the Unify product. So before you start, you have to read this quick start guide in order for you to understand how to mount this Unify access point on the ceiling. So Unify is very easy to install, very user friendly, and you could make a lot of things on your Unify. So that's all. I'm going to put this back, and later I'm going to show you how to install this Unify into the network. So because we already have a Unify product, so we can just install this later and just adapt it on the current network. So now here it is. I'm going to show you how I install this product. So this is the power supply. It is a power over Ethernet power supply. So this is for the LAN cable, and this is for the power over Ethernet. This cable will be connected to the Unify access point. The power over Ethernet cable. This will be connected to the Unify LAN connection. So if you have a power over Ethernet network or device, you just have to plug it on your network, then no need of power supply. So since I don't have a power over Ethernet network, then I'm going to use this power supply in order to power this Unify UAP ECLR. So as you will see here, there's a white light blinking, and there's a blue light also blinking. That means that this Unify is starting up. And after this, I will be showing you how to adapt this new Unify into the current network. So now here is our current network, and now I'm going to adapt this Unify into our current network. So here you will see the button, it says adapting. So now it's adapting to our current network. Here you will see the information about this Unify. Also the MAC address is visible. Tagal ba talaga? So it says connected. So now this Unify access point is now connected to our current network. So that's how easy, user-friendly this product. So I like to use this product because it's very easy to install and user-friendly. So there's a lot of functions here that you can set in your access point, just like wireless LAN. You can set your wireless LAN here. You can make a lot of frequency or radio for your LAN network. So now it's color blue. This means that this Ubiquity long range access point is normally working. For more unboxing, please click subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.